In today's video, I'm going to walk you through what link in bio means on Instagram. It's a simple concept, but understanding it can be super helpful for making the most of your Instagram presence. So, let's dive right in. First off, when people mention link in bio, they're referring to the clickable link that you can include in your Instagram profile. Let me show you how it works. Tap on the little profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Under your name, you'll see a clickable link. Mine is set to MKS World. When I tap on it, now, the reason people say, link in bio, is because, unlike other social media platforms, Instagram doesn't allow clickable links in post descriptions or comments. This is a unique feature of Instagram, and it means that if you want to direct your followers to a specific link, you have to do it through the link in your bio. If you want to change the link in your bio, it's easy. Go back to your profile, tap on Edit Profile, and then select the Links field. Here, you can update the link to whatever you want. Whether it's your Twitter page, TikTok profile, or a website you want to share, this is where you manage your clickable link. And that's it. That's what link in bio means on Instagram.
If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on future content.